Hi YouTubers, this is JR's Diecast Cars, back with another video. Just opening up some more convention pieces. The first one we're going to start with, I've got two different ones from 13th Annual Collectors Convention. Let's see, one of them is a Plymouth Roadrunner GTX. These do not have plastic wheels, but these things are pretty sharp anyways. They look pretty good. Not detailed. The back end's detailed. It's got a lot of cool graphics on the side and stuff. There's a logo up on the trunk. These things are pretty sweet. I believe the hoods do open. Put this up here on the turntable. I only got, like I say, two different ones. The next one's going to be a 69 Chevelle. And this thing is pretty sweet. I like this one too, and the hood does open on it as well. Here's the Chevelle. It's got side markers on it. This thing here is nice. I like it. There's a logo on the trunk again. It's got some scuffs, but it's from being in the package. But we're going to take this one off. Set it over here. There's the Chevelle. And they're limited up to 5,000. I said that doesn't concern me so much there. I don't really care about all that. But the next one is the Mexican Collectors Event 2009. It is a Deco Delivery. It's this one here. This thing is sharp. Beautiful casting. It's definitely detailed out. All of it. I mean, it's all the way around. This thing is sharp looking. I love that green paint. Let's take the Chevelle off. Put it over here. Put this up here. I got three different castings of the Deco Delivery. The next one will be, let's see, that one there is limited to 5,000. And the next one is Japan 2009. And it's the 40th Annual Convention piece. Let's take this one off. I love the rims on that thing. Okay, here's this one here. It's detailed out as well. There's a logo on the back, right there. But, I mean, the red and the black. I love the wheels on this one as well. White letter tires. It's pretty sharp. See, front end's detailed as well. Set that one there. Next one is will be the, let's see, it's Summer Smash, August 27th, 2009. It's the second annual Summer Smash. This one here is pretty sharp as well. So it's got Summer Smash. It's in Rhode Island. Again, it's all detailed out. This thing is bad. It's tough looking, that's for sure. I'm going to take this one off. Set it over here. Put that one right there. Okay, that's it on these here. Let's see. I think I'm going to open up a couple more cars here. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, these here are the Wild Weekend of Hot Wheels. 2009. It's East Coast Collector's Event. This is the Street Rodder. I've got this one in the Classics, and it has that logo on the back of it, which I guess they put a few of them out. Weren't supposed to, but they did. But I do have it on card. That one I probably won't take off card because of being an error, I guess you'd call it. But let's crack this one open real quick. I've only got the two. I've even got a poster of this as well. And give me a minute, guys. This one here is being a little tough to open. It's pretty sharp looking. I do know that. Light. But there it is. I'll move this one off of here. This thing is detailed. And it's detailed pretty good. Tail lights. There's a logo right there. I love the flames. Redline tires. This thing is sharp looking. So I do have a poster of these. That's limited to 2,000. And the next one is the Bone Shaker. Just like I said, that's one of my favorite castings. This is limited to 2,000 as well. I mean, it's not as limited as a Auto World Chase. They're probably not even a White Lightning, actually. But it is rare. Not as rare as those castings. Excuse me. See, there's the tail lights. Those big meats on the back. Logo on the door. Pipes are painted red. That's pretty tough looking. Redline tires again. Skull has the red eyes. White headlights. This thing is pretty sweet. It go good with all my other Bone Shakers, that's for sure. Okay, let's put this one right there. Let that thing spin around. Do its thing. See, guys, I think my next video will be I'll probably end up opening up some Camaros. I've already got one open. It's going to be like this convention piece here. This one here is from 21st Annual Collectors Convention. It's number 1 of 5. 1 of up to 3,000. And like I say, Camaro is the best casting I like. That's number 1. From 1 to 10, that's number 1 right there is the Camaros. Always has been, probably always will be. I do have a 95 Treasure Hunt Camaro. Excuse me. I will not be opening that up. Excuse me, guys. But that one there I don't want to open up because I got very lucky and got that. And I got a fantastic deal on that 95 Hunt Camaro. Only got $100 in it. And nowadays that's a good buy. But alright guys, look, I'm gonna cut this video here. It's a little over 9 minutes long, and that's probably long enough. But like I said, my next video will be opening up some Camaros. I got 12 or 13 different convention pieces to open. And I will be opening them up on the next, some of them up on the next video. Alright guys, like I said, just keep looking, don't give up. And I mean, don't pay ridiculous prices. I mean, like I said, I have before, and I probably will again, but don't get discouraged when you can't find something. Just hold on. It'll come to you eventually. Guys, look, God bless you, and y'all have a good evening. See you on the next video.